Have you ever wondered how some people seem to pick up new skills almost effortlessly, while others struggle? The ability to learn new skills quickly and effectively is not only impressive, but it's also increasingly vital in our fast-paced world. Whether it's learning a new language, mastering a software program, or picking up a musical instrument, quick skill acquisition can open up a world of opportunities. It's a ticket to personal growth, a boost in self-confidence, and a way to enhance your professional credibility. But the real beauty of quick skill acquisition is that it's not limited to a select few. It's not an innate talent, but a skill in itself that can be developed with the right approach. It's about understanding the process of learning, knowing how to focus your efforts, and being strategic in your practice. This video will provide a step-by-step guide on how to acquire new skills quickly and effectively. The first step in this journey is identifying your learning style. Each of us has a unique way of absorbing and processing information. There are 4 primary learning styles: auditory, visual, reading/writing, and kinesthetic. Auditory learners thrive when they listen to information presented verbally. Visual learners, on the other hand, process information better when presented with images or diagrams. Those with a reading-writing preference learn best through written words, while kinesthetic learners need to engage in physical activity or hands-on tasks to truly understand. Understanding your unique learning style can make the process of acquiring new skills more efficient and enjoyable. But how do you identify your learning style? It's all about self-reflection. Consider which methods have worked best for you in the past. Do you remember things better when you write them down or when you hear them? Or perhaps when you see them demonstrated or get to try them yourself? Knowing your learning style is like having a roadmap to acquiring new skills. Now that you know your learning style, the next step is setting clear and achievable goals. It's crucial to establish SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound when learning a new skill. Let's break these down. Specificity is key. Instead of saying, "I want to learn to play a musical instrument," you might say, "I want to learn to play 3 songs on the guitar." This gives you a clear target to aim for. Your goals should be measurable. In our guitar example, you'll know you've achieved your goal when you can play those 3 songs. Ensure your goals are achievable. Don't set yourself up for failure by aiming too high out of the gate. Start small and work your way up. Relevance is important. Choose goals that align with your broader objectives. If you're learning the guitar to join a band, those 3 songs should be ones the band plays. Lastly, be time-bound. Give yourself a deadline to create a sense of urgency and keep you motivated. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So, set SMART goals and you're already halfway to acquiring your new skill. The final step in acquiring new skills quickly and effectively is the combination of practice and patience. This duo is the cornerstone of mastering any skill. It's the consistent daily practice that slowly but surely builds up your abilities. But remember, it's not just about quantity, it's about quality too. Techniques like spaced repetition, where you practice a little bit each day, and deliberate practice, where you focus on improving specific aspects of your skill, can make your practice sessions more effective. Yet, practice is only half the equation. Patience is equally critical. Understand that acquiring new skills takes time. It's a process of growth, and growth can't be rushed. It's like planting a seed and nurturing it. You can't force it to sprout overnight. There are no shortcuts to mastery, so be patient with yourself. Embrace the journey, and keep practicing, because every step you take brings you closer to proficiency. With practice and patience, you can become proficient in any skill you set your mind to. Let's quickly recap the key points we've discussed. The art of acquiring new skills quickly and effectively lies in 3 steps: identifying your learning style, setting clear goals, and embracing practice and patience. By recognizing how you learn best, you can tailor your approach for maximum effectiveness. Setting clear, achievable goals keeps you focused and motivated. And remember, practice makes perfect, but patience is just as crucial. With these steps, anyone can master any skill. Remember, the art of acquiring new skills is a journey, not a destination. Happy learning.